Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner isn't recognizing your face properly on VIVO V60E. In such case, let's set up a new face model on this smartphone and let's try to do it better this time. So first go to settings, go to security and privacy section, then go to device unlocking. Select face, enter your password, and if you have any previously enrolled face data on your device, wipe it by clicking clear face data, confirm. And before you add a new face model, make sure that the frontal camera of your device is clean and you can see your face clearly in it. So wipe it with the dry towel, or better, microfiber cloth if you have it around. Be careful not to damage it. All we need is to see our face clearly in the frontal camera. Okay, and also adjust the lights in your room so that you can basically for the same reason, and also make sure that the lights aren't facing the camera and are facing you, and make sure that your face doesn't look too bright within these lights. Once you're ready, tap Add a Face, then Enroll Now, and then center your face in the camera. Tap OK. And now let's go back to the settings before we proceed. At this point, I want you to make sure that you have an internet connection on your phone. So wipe down the system update and open this menu. And check if your device has the latest system version or software version. And if you do have some updates to install, then of course take your time, download and install them all. Otherwise, let's restart the phone to make sure that the changes applied. To restart the phone, press power button and volume up key at the same time, select restart and wait until your phone is restarted. Once the smartphone is restarted, let's try using the face recognition scanner a couple of times to check how it works this time. So let me lock the phone. Okay, it worked seamlessly the first time, the second one, and let's... Okay, and as you can see, everything works very smoothly for me, and so I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.